Welcome back to our channel, everybody. It's me, Richard Kevin, and you're watching Tech It Simple YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we guys can set up ourselves for OnlyFans account. Not only that, I'm also going to be teaching you guys how we guys can search for other people as well as how we guys can follow other people, and how you guys can get the premium version of OnlyFans. There's no such thing as premium version. The premium means like you need to pay the creator in order to watch the content. Is basically like Patreon. If you know what Patreon is, in all events, you need to follow a creator. And in order to follow the creator, you need to pay them a certain amount of money. That's what the premium version is actually, alright. Because OnlyFans is, by the way, free. If the creator tries to post free content, you can watch it for free as well. So don't get confused. First step, just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel Tech It Simple. So first step, you want to search for OnlyFans. Come just like this, it will take you to the official website of OnlyFans like this over here. You need to sign up. So I'm going to enter my email and password. And then over here where it says login, I'm going to click on it. So you also do that and you should be able to log in into your account. But if you don't have an account, you can click on sign up for OnlyFans over here. Once you click on it, it's going to ask you to enter a name for yourself and then enter email for yourself. And then enter a password for your account, click on sign up, your OnlyFans account will be created. It's as simple as that. But I already have an account. So I'm just going to log in. Alright, so this is what your OnlyFans is going to look like after you open it. Now I'm not going to scroll a bit down because like OnlyFans is filled with like not nice contents. I'm just not going to go deep inside that if you know what I'm trying to say. But basically, after opening OnlyFans, if you want to, search for somebody, you can click on the search icon at the top right corner of your screen, and sorcerer or whoever or whatever content you want to see. That's basically how the search feature works. Now to subscribe to somebody, you can go to their profiles. I'm going to go to Near's profile for an example. Over here it is free, but most of the creator will charge you some money. If I want to describe her, I can just click on subscribe, wait for some time. And I should be subscribed in here just like that. So that's how we guys can subscribe and follow somebody. And there is no premium version. As I said, if you want to watch some content, you need to pay for it. So that's how we basically can set up OnlyFans and use it. So just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel, everybody. I'll see you guys next time.